Imagine discovering a new planet, building advanced AI, or creating technology that changes humanity forever. That is the life of a research scientist. But how do ordinary students actually become scientists? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Stay curious. Every scientist starts with questions. Why do stars shine? How does the brain work? Science begins when you refuse to stop asking questions. Step 2. Master the basics. Focus on physics, math, biology, chemistry, and computer science. These subjects are the foundation of modern science and technology. Step 3. Learn to think like a scientist. Don't just memorize facts, understand how things work. Scientists solve problems, test ideas, and search for evidence. Step 4. Choose your field. Science has many paths: space, AI, medicine, robotics, genetics, and more. Explore different areas and find what excites you most. Step 5. Go to university. Study a degree connected to your interests like physics, astrophysics, engineering, biology, or computer science. This is where real scientific training begins. Step 6. Learn real skills. Modern scientists need coding, research, communication, and data analysis skills. Languages like Python are now used in many research fields. Step 7. Join research projects early. Work in labs, internships, or science competitions. Real experience is one of the most important steps in becoming a scientist. Step 8. Don't fear failure. Experiments often fail many times before success. Great scientists become successful because they keep going when things get difficult. Step 9. Continue higher studies. Many research scientists complete master's degrees and PhDs to become experts in specific fields. Step 10. Apply to top organizations. Scientists work at places like NASA, CERN, universities, AI labs, and major technology companies. The truth is, becoming a research scientist is not easy. It takes years of learning, patience, and hard work. But if you truly love discovering how the universe works, the journey becomes exciting. And one day, the next world-changing discovery could come from you.